Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to clear offline files on Mega account. So first you're going to go to the Mega app. Then next you're going to click on the menu section. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then again, once you're here, you're going to click on file management just below user interface. Then as you can see, there's the clear offline files option. So once you click on it, it's going to suggest you to clear it out. So now you won't have any offline files on your device. So that's how you basically do it. It's for clearing space or for making your space more available. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store, as I've been mentioning it again. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.